Hello, this is Connor with Meow Greens Part 12. Today I'm going to show you how to feed your dog some Meow Greens. A cool thing about Meow Greens is that dogs can also eat them, and it provides necessary nutrients and helps with their digestion. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut right along here, like that. I like to break it apart a bit more. Then you just put a little bit on their dog food. Not a ton, but just some. And then, like that. I'm just, about that much. And then you just give it to your dogs. And that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow with one last video. See you soon.